man, try to dey open up, dey talk. If you get wetin you no like wey the girl do, talk come out, no dey keep am. You go keep am inside your mind. Man for that matter, you be witch. Open up, talk as if dey pain you, as dey inch you for there. No one thing settle the issue. Imagine man wey no dey open up for relationship. Where be the way forward? How na wan take even marry sef? How? Man wey no dey open up to you, say okay, na wetin you do this way best. You go just keep am for mind. Anything wey you wan do, na you go do. You no care about the girl feelings o, about her emotions, so you no go care. You just keep it for mind like say you be witch. You're not a witch, please, abeg. If na Benin guys now, so I say na Benin guys. Normally Benin guys na their this red flag be that. Wetin? See, this country is already stressing somebody. No, me man not called add the you now call dey stress me. I don't need stress. Because they open up, you not be witch.